Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the used cars inventories for Tesla. As you are aware, Reuters announced that Tesla scrapped the plan for the Model 2, right? And Elon defended it, like saying that Reuters is lying, it's not true, but he didn't really say much. He didn't elaborate much afterwards. So, but here is the Model 2 expected to be what, at $25,000, and look where we're at now with the Model 3. This is the used one, and as we speak right now, it's April 19, 2024, and we are seeing the Model 3, which is $22,900, and after the tax credit, it comes out to be $18,900, which is not bad at all. This is 2018. This is a long-range rear-wheel drive with only 88,000 miles. Look at the specs. You get 325 miles, 140 top speed mile per hour, and 0 to 65 seconds. And there are a few of them, guys, not just one. Even though this one right here, it's 25,100, 25,500. So if you're looking at a $25,000 car, it actually is here. Okay, it might not be brand new, but it's 3 years old with 43,000, 41,000. You know, and with the way it's going, I'm pretty sure that you maybe give it about a couple more weeks, you're gonna see a lot of them gonna be under $25,000. And as you can see right here, all of these vehicles here does not come with any of the full self-driving packages. Everything just straight up standards. But still, if you're looking for a used car, or your first time trying out EVs, you know, 25,000, 26,000, you get about what? Just look at this, 26,000, 29,000 miles. Not bad at all. Look at this, 2021, 2020. These are not only a couple years old, guy. And then you're getting, if you're buying this from Tesla, the good thing is they give you another year and 10,000 miles of warranty. Okay, that gives you peace of mind as well too. That way something happens, you can just contact Tesla, put it a service request through the app. But again, $26,000, $25,000, $25,000 EV car, Tesla. Look at this, it's already here. Right? Look at all the red colors here. People paying about $1,500 more for the different colors. Red, they're here. Look at this one, $27,000. Only 24,000 miles. That's nothing. Look at my car. I bought it $7,000. Now it dropped to what, like $40,000. Right? But guess what? I love driving it. Today it drove me home all the way from Rancho Cucamonga. And the full self-driving is getting better and better. It's really good, right? So, I don't know. Well, maybe Tesla canceled it or maybe not. But I think the Model 2 is just basically for Robotaxi. And that's what Elon stated that he's concentrating on. But I think they use the same platform. So, one way or another, the Robotaxi is the $25,000 car. But if you're really curious about $25,000 car and you want to be under, here, $18,000, $900 car right now. You can buy the inventory right now. There we go, 88,000 miles. If not, you spend like $2,500,000. You get it right here, 43,000, 41,000. So the $25,000 EV is already here. They're here. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.